Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 12th of October. Pretty cruisy start to the day. Kids are at the bus stop, just getting organised around here, and then we're going to head into the kids' pets day today, or agricultural day I think they call it now. Got to drop off a cake and go and see what they've been up to. Weather is looking great out there. We may go for a quick bike ride this morning, test out that new drone controller holder, just see how things go. We'll go up over the bridge and see what happens. A bit wobbly. I know, but I don't want it to break off, that's all. Just been going through the footage we took this morning when we went for our little bike ride, trying to review this little DJI RC bike mount kit. Can't really recommend it. I guess it does its job, it mounts the controller to the bike, but man, looking at the footage, it was shaking all over the place. So I can't really trust it. I'd say that within a couple of rides, it would just probably break off and fall on the ground and smash. And I was riding really careful to avoiding bumps and going pretty slow. So I guess if you're riding around nice, flat, concrete cycleways, it'd be okay, but anything on a bit of rough ground, it's useless. So back to the drawing board there. Well, that was a somewhat successful test of the new drone controller mount system Mahuza. Unfortunately, the wind picked up quite a lot and we couldn't get the drone up. Probably could have handled the wind, but I'm still a bit nervous about flying in this much wind. And we're back for coffee. Then we'll ice the cake and head down to the school. Yep. Good plan.
Right, carrot cake is ready.
Where do you go and spend all your money?
Oh, it's Ramsey.
He's here. He's
Oh,
here.
he's here. Money. Thank you.
Cool.
Thank you.
All good, there's 5.
Colton, where is it not windy? A real stringy one.
Can I, Mom?
Benn? Is that your one? The rubbish monster. That's pretty cool. I like that one.
Oh, these.
Just a ribbon.
Oh, of course. What? Of course.
Yay.
Highly commended.
Did you win a calendar? Oh, what is that? Scratchies.
Yeah. Well, a good trip to Toko to the agricultural day. They took your head off in the window. Kids had fun. Finn got a highly commended. They all had chocolate and sausages, and we won a $50 raffle of, what do they call it? Instant kiwis.
Instant kiwi scratchies.
That's our gambling for the year done.
Yeah.
Take your run.